We will shortly be arriving at London Blackfriars. Change here for the Circle and District lines. Exit here for riverboat services from Blackfriars Pier, the South Bank and the Tate Modern. The doors will open automatically at the next station.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This station is London Blackfriars. This train terminates at Bedford. We will be calling at City Thameslink, Barrington, London St Pancras International, St Albans City, Harpenden, Luton Airport Parkway, Luton, Leagrave, Harlington, Flitwick and Bedford.
Clearly trying to get me to go to Malaga with her in April. So would you like Easter parades? Would you like basically giving like girlies in the street carrying Jesus?